Welcome to Storrito. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create and schedule your first Instagram story from your desktop PC in just a few steps. Step 1. Create or upload your first story. On the welcome screen, choose either Create Story from Scratch or Upload your content. If you create a story from scratch, you'll land in the Storrito editor. If you upload existing assets, you'll see them ready for editing in the Storrito gallery. Step 2. Build your story in the Storrito editor. You can toggle the Instagram story overlay and the snapping tool on or off depending on your needs. Then, add your media assets. After that, level up your design with one or more interactive stickers, such as the link sticker. Step 3. Save and choose how you want to share your story. Click Save to store it in the Storrito gallery. Then click Share to either schedule via Storrito or download and post manually. Step 4. Connect your Instagram account. First, enter your Instagram username. Then, enter your password. On the next screen, click your preferred method for receiving a two-factor authentication code. Find and enter your code, then click Submit. This can take a few moments to process, so don't worry if it doesn't work immediately. Once you see the success screen, press the green button to save your connection. Step 5. Subscribe to Storrito. To post or schedule your first story, it's necessary to subscribe. Your subscription includes unlimited story posts to Instagram, as well as Facebook cross-posting and asset storage. Add extra features, such as AI image generation and TikTok posts. You can cancel your subscription at any time. Step 6. Schedule your first story. Select the Instagram accounts you'd like to publish to. Optionally, enable cross-posting to Facebook if you have a linked Facebook account. You can also choose a highlights album if you want the story to auto-save there. Then, set the date and time. Once you click Schedule, your story will appear in the Schedule view. Pro tip: multi-account posting lets you publish the same story to several profiles at once, a real time saver if you manage multiple accounts. Step 7. Track your scheduled posts. Head into the Schedule view to find your previously scheduled or posted stories. Click on a scheduled story if you need to reschedule or cancel it entirely. Step 8. Organize your content in the gallery. Create folders to group your assets logically, for example, campaign by month or client by profile. Pro tip: duplicate your base designs and save them in a separate folder as templates so you can quickly update them for future campaigns. And that's it. You're ready to create, schedule, and manage your first Instagram stories with Storrito. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling. If you have any other questions, just drop us a message via the support chat or email support@storrito.com.